and I am here doing the first look using the After Party palette, the last palette in this After series. So if you like the video, the look, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation so you can be alerted as soon as my videos go up. And without further ado, let's get into this palette. After Party, last After palette. It's very pretty. Yes, looking forward to playing with this. Feels weird to be wearing earrings and a necklace. Keep telling myself, I want to wear earrings and necklaces again, and then I keep forgetting to put them in, and now I put them in, and I'm looking at myself, and I'm like, that doesn't look right. I don't know. I'm weird. Okay, let's get into this. I did not prime my eyes yet. Guys, what is going on? I'm not on top of things. But get on top of things today, girl. Okay. There's that. Anybody have any tips on how I can, I'd say get rid of this, all this eczema, dermatitis, whatever the hell it is? Let me know. I know I can't get rid of it. It'll never be gone. What is going on? I double washed my face today. I don't know why I still have so much, makeup. Okay. Let's get back on track here. I'm gonna go in with Morning After. That's gonna be our transition shade. So this looks like this could be like a really good, almost like wedding look palette. Because it's got those pearlies and those nice browns to smoke it out and stuff. Know what I'm saying? I don't know why I talk like that. I'm very weird today. Actually, I've been very weird the past couple days. This is what happens when I get the appropriate amount of sleep. Although I keep not hearing my alarm go off, so that's concerning. I mean, I haven't been late getting my son to school, but I have woken up and it's already... I think today I woke up, it was 7:12. I was like, hello. My son was already up. He was like, geez, Mom, didn't think you were gonna get up. I was like, yeah, I guess. Anywho's, okay, we're going to go in with... We're gonna deepen up the crease with musk, that musk color. Is this turned up enough? Yeah, it's up. Okay, just make sure. Glad we had this conversation. Oh boy, that's pigmented. Oh boy, too pigmented. Wipe some of that off. I don't want that ba-bam in my face. Definitely want to go into that one lightly because it is super duper pigmented. Super duper. It's so weird. It's so much fun when I get sleep. I love sleep. Sleep make me happy. La 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 la. Alright, Jack, you need to calm down. I'm in such a good mood, but my son was sad this morning. He was gonna go to breakfast. He was gonna have breakfast at school, and he gets out of the car to go in for breakfast, and he stands there looking around at all the other kids that are going for breakfast, and then he looks back at me, and then he runs back to the car, and he gets in, and he's like, none of my friends are going to breakfast. And then he was just like really sad, had this really sad face. So he's sad today. I don't know why. Hopefully he has a good day though. My poor little Cam, man. It's been a little rough for him recently. Having a hard time with friends and stuff. There we are for the crease. Alright, so I'm going to go... I'm going to go into the outer corner with invite only. And we're going to use... okay, we're going to use this brush because it jumped at me. E.L.F. crease brush. Just a little. Nice dark chocolate brown there. Yes, deepen up that outer corner. Beautiful. So this is the last palette in the After series. Now, I have the whole Cult series as well, which I was going to do a whole series on the Cult palettes, but I want to see just how much interest there is in that, because, I mean, my eye is watering. I hate that. Messes up my outer corner every time. Because, you know, if like 2 looks in each of these palettes was just like too much, I don't want to do the same thing in the Cult palette, because I don't want people to be like, yeah, we get it, it's another look in the Cult palette, you know what I mean? So let me know, leave me some feedback in the comment section of what you would like to see, if you would even like to see the Cult palette at all. I mean, maybe you're just like, yeah, I don't really care. If you don't really care, then cool, I won't do it. I'll still use the palettes, I just won't do a series on it, you know? So, yeah, please, let me know your thoughts on that situation. Okay, I'm gonna go in to Hairspray, and I'm gonna use my finger, and we're gonna put that on the inner corner. I don't know why I'm so weird today. Such a soft shadow. I like it. I like it a lot. It'd be such a pretty, like, wedding look. Oh, yeah. You know, wedding season is around the corner. Oh, ooh. And that's dry with a finger. What do you think? You think we should do wet with a brush? Let's do it. Let's do it. I want to see what this baby can do. All right. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to use water because I'm out of my... Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm out of my hard candy setting spray that I usually use to do this. I'm gonna have to pick up some more. You know, go back in, pat it down with a dry finger. Well, dry, you know what I mean. Dry as in not wet. Jackie, you're so smart. Yes, dry means not wet. Brilliant. Oh, Jackie. Oh, no, girl. No, you didn't. Oh, yeah, bitch, you did. Okay, well, that went well. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hello. I'm gonna clean Fluffy. See if we can't kind of wipe away that crazy shimmer I got in the crease. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so you know what else I kind of want to do? I kind of want to, wow, Jackie, calm down. Go in with Tipsy, and I want to put that right in the middle between Hairspray and the dark brown Invite Only. I'm going to use my finger. Dab that right there. Take this uber fluffy brush. This is INMO brush. Doesn't have a name or anything. It's a crease brush, I think. I'm just going to kind of fluff, because it's super soft. I'm just going to fluff the edges. Works really well to soften those edges. Any soft, fluffy brush will do the same thing. Kind of buff. My eyes are watering. I hate that. It makes me so mad because it ruins everything. Okay, let's go into that Invite Only and just kind of mesh that a little more. The outer corner. So pretty. I don't know why my eyes have been watering. They were watery yesterday too. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. It's not the shadows. I was using completely different shadows yesterday. Was this the crease brush? Yes. Alright, just a tap, tap, tap. Flick off excess of the musk, the crease shade. Kind of refresh that in there. Okay, let's do some eyeliner. I'm going to be brave. Oh, this is a Wet n Wild eyeliner brush, angled brush. We're gonna go into the E.L.F. cream eyeliner. Okay. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild mascara, Mega Wear, Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. Okay, I'm going to clean up, do the rest of my makeup, and we will be back to finish the bottom lash line. Okay, so let's move on to the bottom lash line. I'm going to put, so I'm going to sweep Musk along the bottom, which is the crease shade. And then I'm going to take the Morning After, which was the transition shade, and kind of soften it a little bit. So it's like that. And now we're going to put some liner. I'm going to use the E.L.F. liner, the same liner we use on top. Cream liner. We're just going to do like 2/3 of the waterline. we don't want it all the way to the inner corner. That tends to close your eyes off. And I already have tiny eyes as it is. I ain't trying to be all squinty-eyed. I want awake eyes, but you know what I mean? So there is that. Now we're going to take our E.L.F. mascara. I really got to get that L'Oreal Paradise. And we're going to go... I'll go back in there. Hello? No, seriously. Hello? I don't know what's going on in there. Okay, we're going to take Gel Liner by Wet n Wild, and was it Bear to Comment? Bear to Comment. Can never go wrong with a nude lip either. You know what? I'll take a sip of my coffee before I do this. I always forget to do that. Now I'm gonna go in with CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte Current Nude. My favorite nude color right now. I want to look into Matte Ink by Maybelline. I want to check some of them out. Okie dokie. I don't think I want a gloss. Do I want a gloss, guys? I don't think I want a gloss. I think we're going to let the eyes shine today. We don't need a shiny lip. We got this beautiful eye look. Okay, so there is the first look in the After Party palette. Lovey, lovey, lovey this. I do love this. This is so pretty. So yeah, like I said earlier, leave a comment. Let me know how you think I should go about the cult mania, cult mythos, the whole cult series. Let me know what you think, because I don't want to bore you with, if it's too much, it's too much. I need to know. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. I don't know why you wouldn't have by now, but hey, maybe you just stumbled upon my videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!